Hello, good day. Today I'm going to show you on how to connect server and client here in virtual machine. So let's assume that you download VirtualBox and you download Windows Server and Windows 10 ISO. So first, let's add server first. So let's choose Windows Server 2012 64-bit and then finish, and here we add the ISO. So let's try to find it, and here as you can see we have Windows Server and Windows 10. So let's choose this Windows Server 2012, and after that we can able to start it, and also we will add new virtual machine. Let's say our client, and let's finish it, and then also add new this Windows 10 ISO, and let's also start this client, and here we're going to configure it. Next, and install, and also we have our client, so we should run it at the same time, and choose this number 2, which is our server with GUI or graphic user interface. Click next, and then custom, new, and apply. Okay, and then we should format this one, and let's next. Okay, so I forgot to uh, change our both. So this one we need to configure it. Let's stop this first, and then go back to settings. In network we should use bridge adapter to both server and client. So let's also change the server network, change it into bridge adapter, and also use realtek, so this should be connected both. And let's start running this our client while we waiting to download our server. And let's wait this. So go to this PC and properties, just click this explorer over in our navbar, I mean taskbar, and here let's change settings, then let's name it our server, and let's rename our work group into IT, and let's click OK. Okay, so it required us to restart our computer, so let's restart it now. So let's just wait it to be done installing. So while waiting to download our Windows 10 client, so let's proceed to add roles, or we can add here in manage, and it's all the same, which you depends where you prepare. So as you can see, we didn't uh, change our IP address, so let's try to configure our IP address first. Let's say cmd. You will open it by run Windows plus R, and here let's see what is our IP address. So we follow this one, which is our default gateway 192.168.1.1. So here let's just open our open network, then change adapter settings, and then let's click this Ethernet, and then going to click this one, which is IPv4, and then here let's say we have 192.168.1. Then let's say our host IP address is 10, and subnet mask is automatically set in 255.255.255.0, which is our standard subnet mask, which commonly used for. And here we add 192.168.1 and 1. It is still the same, which we find here in ipconfig. And here, which is our preferred in, is let's say 192.168.1.1. So let's click OK. Then let's try to ipconfig it again, and as you can see, it changed our IPv4 address into 192.168.1.10, and it's still the same for our default gateway. And then after that, after you do it, after we did it, then let's add roles in pictures. Next, let's next set, and as you can see, it didn't change our IP address here, but we can change it later. And here we will add this stage CP server, DNS, and add this activity directory domain, and also here in files and storage services, we will add this file service resource managers, and also the print and document services. So let's proceed next. Here we will just add the Windows Server backup. Let's proceed to next, and let's install it. Let's wait until it installed. So while we installed the add rules, and we got problem on our client, So let's